I tested Mangools against Ahrefs for 30 days. Here's what happened to my rankings. Before I dive into the results, there's a special discount link in the description below that'll save you money on Mangools if you decide to make the switch. So here's the thing, I was paying $99 a month for Ahrefs. And while it's powerful, I started wondering if I really needed all those enterprise features for my small business. That's when I discovered Mangools. For just $29 a month, you get 5 SEO tools in one package: keyword research, rank tracking, backlink analysis, SERP checking, and site profiling. After 30 days of testing both side by side, my rankings actually improved with Mangools. The interface is incredibly beginner-friendly. Unlike Ahrefs, which can feel overwhelming, I found the same keyword opportunities, tracked my positions just as accurately, and analyzed my competitors effectively. The best part? I'm saving over $800 a year without sacrificing results. Mangools gives you everything you need for SEO success without the complexity or the hefty price tag. If you're tired of overpaying for features you don't use, check out that discount link in the description and see why thousands of bloggers and small businesses are making the switch to Mangools.